Hello everyone, this is Jordan from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a really pretty quick Silvano Evo with us in the shop, and it had originally came in because there was a lot of water pump issues and water wasn't getting to the group head. Um, a few other things, this machine, hot water went through the water pump at some point in its life. Um, you want to avoid that at all costs. Main reason is because that little vibratory pump, the one we have right here, can overheat, and so if you put hot water in your water tank, it will overheat quicker. And so just to dodge that, um, what we did is we replaced the water pump. As you can see, the old one is right there. We put a brand new one in there. Also, we replaced the air valve on the machine. It's this little guy right here. This goes on the water pump, screws on the top. And what this does is, well, pretty much how you could tell if it's leaking. You can see how much scale is actually in there. Your machine will start popping. Not in, you won't really see it anywhere else, but in the water tank, it starts just shooting a lot of steam and water into the water tank, and you usually want to replace that when it starts doing that. So we did replace it. Also, we did a tune-up on this machine. Pretty much what a tune-up consists of is descaling both the thermal block, because there's a separate thermal block for your steam one, plus your brew boiler. We descaled both so it ran clear, and then we did cleaning of the group head, replace the gasket, replace the shower screen. And yeah, and now we are here, and we did back flushing on the machine also. So now we're going to test the machine with a bed of coffee. This is our test coffee. Don't worry if it runs a little too fast or a little too slow. Did not calibrate our grinders to this machine, but we will still make sure that we brew something. It's going to run a little fast, so our coffee's a little coarse, but that's perfectly fine. We just want to make sure water gets into the group head. And just to show you how much water comes out of the group head now, take this off and run it just to clean it. As you can see, great amount of water coming out. And if you put a back flushing disc on there, it will also go all the way up to pressure. Now we're going to test the steam one. So like I said, again, this is a separate thermal block on the machine, which is why we took really quick. And so now that there's a little water pumping back, that's shooting small amounts of water through the thermal block by the time it reaches the end of the steam. And don't worry about the discoloring, there's just some stuff in that cup that I randomly grabbed. Yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.